In public works, the time required to complete a project is given by the sum of the time needed for design, service allocation, and actual construction. On average, the latter represents less than half of the total time required for the entire process. Another important factor is the ability to control costs. In public works, there are significant increases on average between the initial estimate and the final balance. This research investigated the effects of three types of procurement: architectural design competition, most economically advantageous tender, and design and build. The research was conducted by examining 300 school buildings designed and built between 2015 and 2024. Among these, more detailed analyses were conducted on 104 cases, comparing design, execution, and service assignment times, the difference between initial and final costs, and qualitative elements used for the assignment of architectural services. The research outlined that design times are shorter in the case of architectural design competition, and that execution times are slightly shorter in the design and build. Even in the final calculation of the time required for the entire project, the works resulting from architectural design competition had a faster processing time than the others. The average initial design costs are lower for works resulting from architectural design competition than in other cases. The average design costs are slightly lower for projects carried out under design and build than in other cases. The qualitative parameters used for the choice of the project, and therefore for the final characteristics of the work, are much more detailed and incisive in the case of architectural design competition. The architectural design competition is therefore the method of awarding contracts that guarantees high quality of the final work, while maintaining advantages in terms of time and construction costs that remain superior or comparable to other forms.